Back in 2021, meme stocks were all the hype. Everyone was talking about what's the next GameStop, what's the next AMC, and we were seeing millionaires made overnight in the stock market. As a result of this, we saw new accounts on Twitter launch like Wall Street Memes. We saw Wall Street Bets really start to dominate the news, and I've continued to follow a lot of these different accounts, both Wall Street Bets and Wall Street Memes over on Twitter over the last few years. Recently, I've come across a pretty big announcement that is worth sharing with you because I made a big investment, and this is something that I think you're going to want to be a part of if you ever invested in a meme stock, if you use Twitter, if you enjoy looking at memes on the internet. I think this is going to benefit you because recently Wall Street Memes, it's an account with 220,000 followers on Twitter, launched their very own token called WSM. And what they've done is that they've been working on this for a while, and now they've officially launched a pre-sale of their very own token for their community, which is the #1 crypto community meme coin on the internet. What we've seen is that Wall Street Memes currently is in pre-sale. They've already raised over $2 million. I invested in this just 2 days ago, and they had less than $50,000 in this pre-sale raised so far. So in the last 2 days alone, they've raised almost $2 million. And this is because everyone is very excited about Wall Street Memes as not only like an entity on Twitter, its account, how much it actively engages with the community, but also because what they're trying to do with the project. So the symbol is WSM. It's currently in pre-sale, and they have plans of launching later in the year. But when you look on the website, you can see that the current stage of the pre-sale, the price is going to be $0.0265 for one WSM token, and there's currently 3 days left before it's going to increase in price. You could buy it with ETH, USDT, card. Those are the options. It's easy to do. You just connect a MetaMask wallet, and you could also even use BNB if you want. The key thing about this is that WSM token is piggybacking off of what happened in 2021 with GameStop and AMC. And what they're doing moving forward is that they're trying to build out their community. They're trying to ultimately be the next $1 billion meme token, but not just a coin without utility. They're trying to ultimately build out their community aspect of the token, which they already have over 200,000 followers on Twitter. And they break this out into 3 separate phases. Phase 1 is what we're in right now, which is smart contract development. They want to secure an audited smart contract for WSM token to ensure transparency and trust. They're going to focus on community building with their Telegram, Discord, Twitter. Like I said, Twitter already has over 200,000 followers, and they're going to continue to build up the hype. Third thing is going to be with brand and marketing. They're going to continue to spread the word, start actually marketing the project, because I have not seen it yet being marketed. I just follow this account on Twitter, and I saw that they launched their own token, and then they're also going to have their own WSM style, like with merchandise and swag. You're going to be able to buy all of that directly from the website. So that's phase 1. That's what we're currently in. Phase 2 is going to be the launch. This is what many people are excited about, and what I've started to see people talk about on Twitter. This is the token launch. They're going to launch the Wall Street Memes token, WSM token, which I did buy in the pre-sale. They're going to announce some major partnerships, collaborate with meme creators, influencers, and content platforms as they continue to spread the word. They're going to have their token listings. It's going to be on popular dexes to continue to increase the liquidity and make it easier for people to trade before they start launching on centralized exchanges as well. And then the phase 3 is going to be when they unlock exclusive benefits in the WSM gated community, early updates, exclusive content, and interactive experiences. They're also going to have a goal of reaching a $1 billion market cap, because they believe that, the entire meme coin community, the entire movement that we saw with GameStop and AMC in 2021 is still there. People always want to see the little guys succeed, and that is what they're going to be focusing on in phase 3 as they continue to get listed on tier 1 centralized exchanges. So this is what they are trying to do. When you're looking at the tokenomics, the specific breakdown of the token, you can see that they're making this very friendly to the community. They're having 50% allocated to the pre-sale, 30% for community rewards, 10% for centralized exchange liquidity, 10% for decentralized exchange liquidity. When you look at their white paper, However, I was a little curious about what this 30% community rewards meant, and on their white paper, they talk about how 30% for community rewards is ultimately meaning that it's going to reward token holders for simply being a part of the community. They're saying they're keeping this 30% of the supply available and on the side to help reward token holders over time. And when you look at the white paper, it specifically talks about this 30%. And says how they're going to be using it to help incentivize people in the community, help give back to token holders who have been around for a while. And you can see right here, it says we believe in rewarding our loyal meme warriors through their generous community rewards program. They're going to shower WSM tokens to the community, so making sure that people who have held it, people who got involved in the pre-sale, people who continue to support the movement, are rewarded. So this is something that I just definitely think you should check out, because if you've ever invested in a memes token, if you've ever invested in GameStop or AMC since 2021, or if you just follow this account on Twitter, Wall Street Memes, I think it is worth investing in. I did it myself because I've been following this account since 2021. Since the whole GameStop and AMC fiasco, and I've just continued to see active engagement with their community. They post daily. They always get around 100,000 impressions. You can see on all their posts. They have solid memes, and ultimately, this is something that I don't think is ever going to go away. I think they could be like a funnel for more projects in the future. We'll see what happens on their roadmap, but this isn't just like a one-off meme token. This is like a staple name in the crypto space, in the Twitter space, in the meme space.